अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक है, उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगे आप सब। हेलो माय फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। कैसे हैं आप सब? फाइनली बलम आ गया है और लॉन्च हो गया है गेट आईओ। आज हमारा प्रोजेक्ट भी है बलम ही। इसी का रिव्यू दूंगा आपको। मेरे साथ बने रहिएगा मेरे यार फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। बलम गेट लाइव कैंडी ड्रॉप की तरफ से बलम आया है प्रोजेक्ट। उसका रिव्यू दूंगा आपको। मेरे साथ बने रहिएगा एंड तक ताकि आपको इसके बेनिफिट्स और एक्सक्लूसिव रिवॉर्ड्स के बारे में पता चल। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम माय ऑल डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम गेट यूजर, वेलकम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच। Gate launch pool newly added Balam. Stake Balam to earn rewards delivered in real time. Welcome Skyfall. Balam will launch on Gate launch pool. Stake Balam to earn Balam tokens reward every hour. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Airdrop detail staking period June 27, 2025 at 12 July 11, 2025 at 12 UTC. Total staking reward is 9,000,000 Balam. 9 like Balam. And my dear, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. This is the official page, my dear. You can see the official page of this project, Balam. Balam is Degeneration's multi-chain trading ecosystem that brings together a powerful terminal, one of the most hyped meme pads in Web3 and on-chain trading booth, all in a top 2 trading experience. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. This is one pool. You can see the one pool of this project. Official pool is Balam. Only Balam. Total staking reward is 9 lakh. Balam participants is 20.839. Token stake is Balam. Price pool Harley cap is 2.67.57 Balam. Mining period is 14 days. Individual hourly reward cap 214.28 Blum. Total staking 12.731.448.31 Blum. APR is 452.03. Welcome gate user, welcome A Ali Sultan, welcome A Al Alam, welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Now go to the official websites of Balam. You can see the official website. This is a beautiful websites of Balam. All crypto one app. Launch Balam mini app. Launch Balam trading boots. You can see the trading boot of Balam, my dear friends. This is a Balam trading boots. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. This is a mobile app and mobile. Welcome Skyfall. Welcome Neilgun. Welcome my dear Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Hi everyone. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook. Welcome to join my live stream. You can trade any tokens. You can see you can trade any tokens. All the crypto you need. Balam provides access to the all coins and tokens you need all in one place. No more jumping between platforms. Simple and shameless. Mimi pads, trading terminal, AI powered trading cross-chain experience. So now go to the next one. Shameless cross-chain experience. Trading without chain, switching native, token gas fees or endless transactions confirmations. MimiPad, launch, trade and earn Mimi coins with easy reaching. Millions of users from the very start. So trading terminal, letting fast multi-chain crypto trading with shameless transactions. Palam is designed for speed, patches and the security ensure you are never miss a trade. AI powered trading unlock self-learning trading, effortless creating strategic launch token and fully automatic. Welcome Fufu, welcome Gate user my dear, welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear friend. Thank you so much my dear. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for all of you for joining my live stream. Welcome. Welcome, my brother. Welcome, and thank you so much. You are all your gateway to a rewarding crypto experience. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So, at Balam, we believe in making your crypto journey not just profitable but also enjoyable and interactive. Trading terminal, MimiPad, trading boot, and AI agent tools. Thank you so much, my dear CryptoY. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. वेलकम माय ब्रदर क्रिप्टो आई। सो आपकी ही कमी महसूस हो रही थी, बाकी सारे तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स भांग पी के सो रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर ब्रदर क्रिप्टो आई, आप आए बाहर आ गई। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। सो लॉन्च क्लब ऑन टेलीग्राम। सो दिस इज अ टेलीग्राम, स्टार्ट योर क्रिप्टो जर्नी विद प्लम टुडे। So this is a Plum on Telegram. Plum is community where growth is neutral and possible. Boom. Plum. Welcome and thank you so much. So contact support, join community. So now go to the blog. So this is a all blog of Plum. You can see. So I will tell about the all Plum of ideas. So number one is Plum Xme Pay. Buy and sell Plum with Fat via HME Pay. So now go to the Plum integrated with the HME Pay for shameless paid on and off ramp access. So July 4, 2025. So this is a partnership Plum of, you can see my dear. Thank you so much for joining. So this is a Plum X HME. You can see my dear. Xme Pay. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Buy and sell Plum with Fat Bio Xme Play. So Plum, the decentralized multi-chain trading ecosystem. Now for its powerful tap to trading experience has entire strategic partnership with the Acme Pay, the world leading flat crypto payments gateway. As part of the integrations, Acme Pay now support FAT on and off ramp access for Plum, the platform newly listing token. Thank you so much, my dear. How are you? I am fine, my dear. So Crypto MacBook, Crypto Rex, Shining Star को भी बुला लें, पता करें वो किधर हैं. Thank you so much for joining live stream. I am good, my dear. How about you? Welcome Gate 51. So Gate 51 ने भी हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम माय डियर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर. थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you so much my dear. So good to see you. Same to you my dear. Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome my brother SB Samrat. So my brother SB Samrat ने मुझे ज्वाइन कर लिया. Thank you so much. So has entire strategic partnership with the Acme Pay, the world-leading Flats crypto payments gateway, as part of the integrations, Acme Pay now support Fiat on ends of RAM access from Plum, the platform newly list token. The integrations follows Plum successful token generation event (TGE) in June 2025, which saw strong early demands and intimate engagement across its Telegram native ecosystem. The Plum token launched with the utility from day one and is now powering activity across Plum MimiPad trading boot. Thank you so much, my brother Election. Election, how are you? Welcome, brother Samrat, SB Samrat, and Election. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my brother. And Election, how are you, Election? Good to see you, Election. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Mungai, my dear friends. So Mungai ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया है. Thank you so much. Hi, bro. How are you? SB Samrat, welcome. Election, how are you? Thank you so much and good to see you to join my live stream. Welcome all Gate user. So Blum has quickly emerged as the standout is the Web3 space by the combining an advanced multi-chain trading terminal, a viral MimiPad launch platform, and on-chain trading boot, all assembly thought as slick. Inference with the interrogations. Plum users and investors around the world can now bow and the sale Plum using their perform flat payments methods including Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, popular mobile wallets and regional banks transfers. So the partnership reflects a shared vision between Plum and Acme. Pay to the simple the Web3 user journey and drive global assembly. From the crypto assets, Acme Pay experience global payments network operators across 173 countries, supports over 50 flat countries and continues. Thank you so much, my brother Crypto Wife, for the gift. Thank you so much for joining. And thank you so much again, SB Samrat, my brother. How are you, my brother? So, and continues seamless 300 plus local payments channel make it the easier than over to the access digital assets like Plum with familiar local flat payments tools. So, moreover, Acme Pay regulatory strong underpinnings. This integration with 9 money transmitter license in the United States and the additional license across the UK, Canada, Australia, South Korea, Southeast Asia, and the beyond. Actually, Pay ensures secure compliant flat crypto flows that meet the highest industry standard. Thank you so much, my brother, for the gift, friends gifts, and thank you so much for your send me USDT gift. Thank you so much, my brother. You always support me and thank you so much. The collaboration bringing Plum dynamic trading ecosystem one step closer to mass adoptions by dynamically lowering the barriers for new user and traders around the global with flat ramps now live from Plum. User can enter and is exit position effortlessly. Thank you so much again, SB Samrat, my brother. Thank you so much, SB Samrat, and thank you so much, Crypto Eye, for the flower. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, both of you, my dear, for supporting me. Thank you so much. So together, Acme, Pay, and Plum are shaping the future of decentralization finance, making it more accessible, innovative, and truly global by building flat and crypto in a way that empower user everywhere to trade, invest, and participate shameless in Web3. With Acme Pay, we are removing another barriers between crypto and the real world, said Gleb Kastrova, co-founders and CEO Plum. Our vision has always been about making on-chain trading simple, native, and assembly. Now, thanks to Alchemy, global flat RAM user everywhere can enter and exit the Blum ecosystem with easy, no fluctuates, no compatibility. We are truly to partner with the Blum to bringing shameless flat to the crypto solution. Thank you so much, SB Samrat, and thank you so much for the beautiful comments, Crypto Y. We are truly to the partner with the Plum to bringing shameless flair to the crypto solution to the vibrant. Thank you so much, trading ecosystem. Empowering user worldwide to the access. Plum effortlessly. Effortless, said Romeo Liu, Chief Revenue Officer at the Acme Pay. This contribution marks a significant step forward, making decolonization finance more accessible and inclusive, and we look forward to driving innovation together with the Plum team. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. So finally, Crypto Princess ने join कर लिया. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. So try on a off ramp to buy and sell crypto local fiat currency today. You can see the link of you can see. So now go to the next one block. This is a one block. So now go to the second one. Partnership Blum integrated with the Aclomaki Pay for shameless flat on and off ramp access. Blum and Aeon Pay at 20 millions and the storage with the Aeon Pay. So go to the Aeon Pay blog. Blum and Aeon partners to the expand crypto payments and bring real world utility to Blum, July 4, 2025. So this is our partner, Blum and Aeon. Pay at 20 million and storage with Aeon Pay. Blum are fast rising decentralization multi-chain trading ecosystem partners with the Eco next generation crypto payments farmer work to integrate and the support its newly listing tokens Blum across Aeon Pay real world crypto payments infrastructure. So thank you so much, my dear. Walaikum assalam, Crypto Glossy. Good to see you. Thank you so much. Welcome Crypto Glossy for our group. Thank you so much. आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया लाइव स्ट्रीम में आने का. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको भी लाइव में देखकर. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो ग्लोसी. So thought this partnership Blum holder can now spend their tokens across millions of the online and the offline merchants, including global brands like MS, McDonald's, Starbucks, and the Unicals, as well as over 20 million local retailers across Southeast Asia and Nigeria, powered by Aeon, well as over 20 million retailers across the South Asia and the Nigeria, powered by Aeon Pay. Aeon Web3 mobile payments product available with the Telegram mini apps, wallet the app. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for the beautiful comments. You are truly amazing. Your live stream has such as a unique and beautiful vibes. May Allah bless you and your family with endless happiness and the protections. Amin. Amin. Thank you so much for the beautiful compliments, Crypto Princess. Thank you so much. Okay, SB Samrat भी इधर ही हैं. Thank you so much for the beautiful comments. Crypto Princess ने दिल खुश कर दिया आते के ही साथ इतना कमाल का मैसेज कर. Thank you so much. Crypto Glossy भी इधर ही हैं, न्यू हैं. Crypto Princess की तरफ से एक और खूबसूरत कमेंट्स आया. Your life is always full of positivity and good energy. The way you interact and your style. Simple, beautiful. May Allah bless and your love once, always. Amin. Again, Amin. Thank you so much for the best wishes. always. Thank you so much for the kind words, my dear crypto princess. And as भी सम्राट क्रिप्टो आई भी इधर ही हैं. Thank you so much for the crypto आई. And major exchange, the collaboration offer a powerful new avenue for the past. TGE utilizing making the process of spending Plum as easy and scanning as QR code. This partnership follows the successful completion of the Plum token generation event in June 2025, which saw strong early uptake of the token and the engagements across its ecosystem. With more than 95 million users and over 270 million in the trading volume across in the MimiPad and trading board, Plum is gaining transitions as a leading player in the Telegram native Web3 landscape. The EON integrations further amplify to the momentum by bringing real world use cases to the Plum holders. Thank you so much again and again, my dear. So welcome again, Crypto I, and welcome SB Samrat and Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much. So again, beautiful comments आया है Crypto Princess की तरफ से. Crypto champion, such a genius and the warm soul. Your live stream reflects your beautiful heart. May Allah fill your life with the barakah and protect your family. Ameen. Ameen. Thank you so much again and thank you so much for again and again best wishes. आज तो दिल ही खुश कर दिया क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. इतने कमाल कमाल के मैसेज आते के साथ ही एसबी सम्राट भी आ गए हैं. So crypto I, your live session are gold for any crypto lovers. Keep creating crypto I bigger than the waiting heart. Thank you so much for the crypto I के लिए beautiful comments. This is actually this kind of post. TGE utility with the believe in giving or community. Real waves to the use belong beyond specialists and the Sales Glab, Casper's co-founder and the CEO Blum. Together with the EON, we are making crypto simpler, more accessibility, and more useful in everyday life. Will continues to the expand what possible on Telegram and Tone. Thank you so much, my dear Oda and Gate user for joining. Welcome, Rank. Thank you so much for all of you, my dear, for joining my live stream. In parallel, Balam has begun work on a updates roadmap to the guide is next passion of growth. The roadmap set to the unbelieved shortly by bringing to the gap between on-chain trading and offline commerce. EON and the Plum are making it the easily than over for use to the tap into the crypto every day, traditional from tagging and the shopping to the mobile top-ups and the more. This partnership also democratizes EON community to the supporting emerging ecosystem and high growth community by the offering fluctuations, merchandise, read payments, infrastructure. Thank you so much again, Crypto Glossy. वेलकम माय डियर क्लिप्सो क्रिप्टो ग्लोसी आई फिर चली गई. चले वापसी आ गई हैं. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स आ गया है क्रिप्टो ग्लोसी की तरफ से भी. Your spirit so much positive. May Allah fill your life with the happiness. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you so much, Crypto Glossy, for your supporting. Thank you so much. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज मेरे सारे ही दोस्त एक साथ आए हुए हैं और मुझे बहुत ही कमाल का सपोर्ट दे रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड कमेंट्स मी. थैंक यू सो मच. तो वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू. तो क्रिप्टो मैकबुक की तरफ से भी खूबसूरत कमेंट्स आया है. Honestly, you are built for this. Your confidence, your vibe, everything is just on point. Keep it up. Thank you so much, my dear brother, Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much, my dear. For all of you, my dear, for supporting me. Thank you so much. So this partnership also demotion econ community to the supporting emerging ecosystem and highly growth community after fractions merchant ready payments Influxor and EON continues to experience into the Africa, Latin America, and other fast-growing markets. Support for the tokens like Blum ensure newly launched assets can immediately plug into the everyday commerce. With crypto next billion user luckily to the come from emerging market, this integration aligned with the both EON and the Blum mission to make Web3 simpler, more accessibility, and the more relevant to real life. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining again and again. SB Samrat, thank you so much. Crypto Glossy for your comments. Best comment. Thank you so much. Crypto Glossy. Welcome and thank you so much. तो थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो ग्लोसी, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और उम्मीद है बहुत जल्दी आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम करते हुए देखेंगे हम। तो आई होप आप भी ऐसे ही करेंगे। सो विद Econ is the next generation crypto payments framework built on the AI to the driving intelligence, automatic payments across Web3 and simplified how crypto work in real life. With omni-chain support, EON AI payments system allows intelligent agents to the manage and automate transactions, payments, subscription, and the readiness for the user. Thank you so much, my dear Light Gap and Hassan BD. Thank you so much. थैंक यू सो मच। सो एस बी सम्राट आपको प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिला, क्यों नहीं मिला? आप गेट लाइव वालों से बात करें, उनको मैसेज करें, इंशाल्लाह वो आपको भी देंगे प्रोजेक्ट। सो विद ऑफरिंग लाइक Web3 मोबाइल पेमेंट दैट्स अलाउ यूजर to pay the with crypto across 10,000 brands and the 20 plus million related merchants in the Asia, Africa, and the Latin Americas. Online Web3 payments, SwapPay, and the growing suite of the AI integrates payments service. Aeon aims to the create a future of crypto finance that intelligent, scalable, and the borderless, where AI meets real life thoughts, seamless, scalable payments for the next billion of user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is a second one, and now go to the third one, my dear. Third one blog. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So partnership, Blum and EON partners to the expands crypto payments and bringing real world utility to Blum. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Crypto Glossy. Thank you so much. Inshallah, Crypto Glossy. I will support you always. Thank you so much, Crypto Glossy. Inshallah, आपको देखेंगे बहुत जल्द लाइव स्ट्रीम करते हुए। So Blum TGA and airdrops, all you need to know. So you can see them, my dear. So Blum TGA airdrops, all you need to know. So June 27 and 2025, new future. So you can see, my dear, this is a beautiful website and graphs you can see. So now go to the notes. Every time about the Blum launch, trading is taking calmly, claiming and the burning at one place. The Blum token has official launch and with it, a new chapter from the Blum trading ecosystem begin. Whether the you are early supporter on just discovering the project, now is the time to get involved, claim trading, stake and grow with us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Crypto Glossy. Welcome, Watch Guru. Welcome, my brother. Hello, sir. Tell now how much you have earned by become a streamer. So, my dear, you are new streamer. Tell me, Watch Guru. Welcome to the my live stream. Thank you so much, my dear. तो वेलकम माय डियर। सो फॉलो कर लें पहले मुझे, जो जिन जिन दोस्तों ने मुझे अभी नया ज्वाइन किया है वो सब मुझे फॉलो कर लें, ताकि वो फिर मैं आप सबको बता सकूं कि आप यहां से कैसे और कितना अर्न कर सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाउ आर यू? हेलो, डू you do have Telegram? I will message you. No, my dear, I have no discussed for the any social app for this platform. So you note again this message. The Blum token has official launch and with it, a new chapter for the Blum trading ecosystem begins. With You are early supporter or just discovering the project. Now is the time to the get involved. Calm trading, staking, and the grow with us. Thank you so much, my dear. वेलकम वेलकम, मैंने बहुत सारे अर्न कर ली हैं। थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच। सो क्रिप्टो ग्लोसी, इधर किसी भी सोशल ऐप के बारे में बात ना करें, ये अलाउ नहीं है इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए। सो इससे आपको मसला हो सकता है। सो दिस पोस्ट वाज you thought are the estimates with what problem is how airdrops and the comlink work, where to trade, how to stake, and what bringing means for the long term value. So वाज गुरु मैं आपको बताऊंगा। अभी आज मैं प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ जब मैं अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो ग्लोसी एंड वेलकम क्रिप्टो 01। वाज गुरु आपको मैं बताऊंगा कितना इसमें अर्न कर सकते हैं और कैसे कैसे, लेकिन जब मेरी मार्केट पे लाइव होगी उस टाइम। So the value of the Blum tokens. Blum is the core engine in the Blob ecosystem. Unlike many tokens built on high, Blum delivers real-time fee discounts, lower trading fees across the ecosystem, staking rewards, put your tokens to work and earn positive income, future airdrop eligibility, get rewards for holding Blum. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess and Crypto Glossy. Thank you so much. So I am usually sleeping at that time. Thank you so much, Crypto Glossy. To see you and nice to meet you. बहुत अच्छा लगा सुनकर कि आप इस टाइम सोती हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। सो एयर ड्रॉप्स एलोकेशन क्राइटेरिया। सो ऐसा ना हो कि मेरे सारे दोस्त अभी सो जाएंगे बात सुन के। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो अक्सर मेरे दोस्त सो जाते हैं। यूर एयर ड्रॉप, वो भी लस्सी पिए बगैर। यूर एयर ड्रॉप इज द बेस ऑन यूर ओवरऑल परसेंटेज रैंकिंग, कैलकुलेट अक्रॉस मल्टी मैट्रिक्स। MP, mission points, BP, bonus points, drop, game participation, daily check-in, farming activity, friends you are invited and their engagement. This ensure for the distribution based on real time. Thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome, welcome, Watch Guru. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now you happy, Crypto Glossy. Thank you so much. Oh, Crypto Princess, I am also behosh. Thank you so much. Yes, my dear, this is a bonus task. You have seen, ये जो आप देख रहे हैं वो bonus task ही है मेरे दोस्त वाज गुरु। I have daily received bonus tasks on my work. So claiming your Blum airdrops. You can claiming your airdrops at any time, but only once. Only your claims any unvested position in burn. Permanently reducing total supply, visiting schedule, 30% unlocking immediately and TGA, 70% visit daily over to 180 days. You choose when to the claim, claiming early, giving your access that fast but burns more tokens, waiting unlocks more but it's your miss your windows, the reminderly in gone. Example, if you are allocated to the 10 blumps. सो मेरे दोस्त मेरे पास और भी हैं काफ़ी सारे बोनस टास्क। मेरे डेली बोनस टास्क आएंगे आजकल आपको। सो डेली मुझे ज्वाइन कीजिएगा और इसके बारे में जानते रहिएगा। सो हाउ 10 बलम्स अनलॉक ओवर टाइम। थैंक यू सो मच माय ब्रदर क्रिप्टो आई। सो क्रिप्टो आई वापसी आ गए। थैंक यू सो मच। और अपना खूबसूरत मैसेज के साथ क्रिप्टो चैंपियन यू आर अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइव स्ट्रीमर। ओहो, आते ही दिल जीत लिया। व्हेन यू आर स्ट्रीमर पीपल सिट एंड लिसनिंग टू योर एक्टिविटी। किम कंटिन्यूज योर स्ट्रीम इन द सेम वंडरफुल वे। May Allah have your mercury on you. Thank you so much. Amin, my dear brother Crypto I. You are such a amazing friends and live streamer. You also great live streamer. Claim on day 1 3 blumps, claim 7 blumps 1. Claim on day 30 4.17 blumps claim and 5.87 blump 1. So claim on day 19, 6.5 blums claim and 3.5 blum burn. So claim on day 180, 10 blum claim and 0 blum burn. So you can see my dear friend, this is the all criteria. So अगर आप डे 1 ब्लम को क्लेम करना चाहेंगे तो आपके ब्लम सबसे ज़्यादा बर्न हो जाएंगे, मतलब ज़ाया हो जाएंगे. सो इसलिए अगर आप 180 डेज पे आप क्लेम करेंगे तो आपके वो पूरे के पूरे ब्लम आपको क्लेम हो जाएंगे. सो ये केयरफुल आप देखें और इसको समझें. क्लेमिंग इज अ फाइनल चूज बिजली. वेयर टू ट्रेड ब्लम. Whenever your performer Telegram based tool on the Satellites exchange, Blum is available across platform designed for every trading style. So you can see the style for the Blum. Thank you so much Watch Guru again and Crypto Princess. Oh अच्छा मैं ट्राई करूंगी ज्वाइन करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. तो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस उस टाइम बेहोश होती हैं क्रिप्टो मैकबुक जब आपकी लाइव स्ट्रीम होती है. So where to trade Blums? Wherever performance Telegram based tools on the Satellites exchange, Blum is available across platforms designed for the trading style. In apps trading options, Blum Spot, MimiPad trading directly inside the Blum Mimi app with the fast infrastructures. Thank you so much my dear again and again. So Blum trading boot, execute trade, strategic from your Telegram chat. Withdraw without switch app. Blum contracts address. You can see the Blum contracts address. Paste this address into the trading boot and any supporting DEX to start trading. So ये है ट्रेडिंग एड्रेस जिससे आप ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हैं. इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करके. वेलकम ऑल गेट यूजर, वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू सो मच कोर फ्लो. Welcome all gate user, welcome 18 years of single-less, welcome to all of you my dearest friends. So Blum contracts address हो गया. Satellites exchange CEX refers to the trade or traditional performers platforms. Blum is listing on the server measures CEX. So you can see the all exchange, Bitgate, Gate. So Gate is always, I will suggest you the Gate.io, Maxi, BingX, CoinW, Wix and the LBank. So no matter your experience level of platforms performance, their shameless way to start trading Blum today. Blum staking option. Staking is alive now, giving Blum holders a way to earn positive rewards and strengthen their position in the ecosystem. There are two options available, each truly to different user strategies. Staking on Tone refers the simplest way to stake no LP tokens or DeFi complements. Just choose a plan and lock your token. So this is a token locking tokens my dear. So you can lock the token. So 19 days 60% APR, 180 days 55% APR. So 60 60 days 50% API. Welcome Crypto I, welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Crypto I, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join. A total 11.300.000 Blum is available for staking with the 4 million Blum allocated as rewards. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome my dear. Staking directly on the Tone refers. Liquidity privileges with the Stone. For user looking to the earn Blum trading volume, Stone offer a liquidity pool where you can privilege Blum, Stone and earn where sure the fees guaranteed by the every trade. Thank you so much my dear Hikens and Hassan BD. Welcome my dear. Thank you so much Hassan BD and Kekanes Yanixi. Thank you so much my dear. Thank you so much for joining my layer. So you every time join my live stream. Thank you so much for the comments. Thank you so much my dear. for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. And liquidity on stone. Whatever you are optimizing for predictable APR and dynamic return staking gives your Plum proposal beyond just holding Plum per merchandise. To support long term, thank you so much, my dear, for the joining live stream. You are happy, thank you so much. How are you, my brother? Thank you so much for joining live stream. And comments me, my dear. Thank you so much for supporting all, my dear, for joining my live stream and follow me. Such a great day, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So क्रिप्टो आई की तरफ से ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज आया हुआ है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, when you do live stream, people listening activity because your stream is very high quality. You are a beautiful and knowledgeable streamer. Oh, thank you so much, my dear, for the beautiful compliments. Thank you so much, my dear. Crypto I, my dear, such a great streamer. Thank you so much. So how it's to support long-term value in the crypto tokens economy has Blum includes a monthly token burn ecosystem. What is burning? Token burning refers to permanently removing tokens from calculations. This reduces that supply and can help support price stability and the demand growth. How it's work? Plum burn with the tech plays on a stability schedule monthly. The first burn is scheduled for July 1. Full data and transaction profits and the shared and after each burn. This approach helps maintenance are definitely purchase over time, refunding long-term holders and the reflecting utilized. Thank you so much. What's next to the Blum? The launch of Plum marks more than just the release a token of it opened that door to the full on-chain trading experience powered by real utilities, stability merchants, and the growing community. Thank you so much again, my dear crypto princess. Thank you so much for the compliments, growth podcast. Thank you so much, my dear crypto princess. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So how to Plum is live on your term choice or your participation. Claim your airdrops, start trading, stake to earn, follow to the burn schedules, and hold to the unlock future rewards. This is the only beginning with more future interrogation. The ecosystem update on the Horizon Plum. So this is all of you, my dear. You can see that this is a block of Plum TG and airdrops. Thank you so much. Plum, Plum, Plum. Yes, my dear crypto princess. This is a Plum. This is an exclusive Plum. So I will already Plum. So I will already trading on Plum. New future, Blum TGA and airdrops, all you need to know. Blum TGA and campaign 23.500 in rewards. So now go to the campaign the trading and Blum into the shares. So June 25, 26, 2025. So now go to the Blum TGA campaign in rewards. The words over. Blum is official out in the world and we are making the launch with the sometimes the actually rewards your moves from June 27 July 14 just trade Plum on the Plum Sports Mimi Trade Mimi Pad and the trading board and you are automatic in the game leading board 18,500 in price Plum Trading Arena leading leaderboards 18,500 in price top 25 traders by volume win. Every buy and sale adds to the your total volume. We are watching the number. Thank you so much. Yes, yes. This is the second one of my dear crypto princess. You remember it. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So every buy and sale adds to the total volume. We are watching the number. The top 25 traders take home real rewards. The more you move, the more you make. Here what's up for group. Rank rewards. So rank 1. Reward 5,000. Rank 2. Reward 3,000. Rank 3. Reward 2,000. Reward 4. Reward 4. 1,500. Reward rank 5. Reward 1,000. Rank 6. 800 reward. Rank 7. 700 reward. Rank 8. 600 reward. Rank 9. 500 reward. Rank 10. 400 reward. And rank 11 to 15. 300 each reward. Thank you so much, my rare crypto princess, for joining live stream and supporting me. Keep shining always. God bless you, you and your family, crypto princess. So 16 to 20 is 200 reward. Rank 11 to 2,500 USD each reward. So date June 27, July 2014 UTC. Everything track automatic. You just focus on trading. Flash round 5,000 for the quick ones. So daily Blum flash buy rounds 5,000 total. Top 5 nets buy win 100 USD daily. Not trying to the top of full boards. We got daily wins too. For 10 days strategic, the top 5 net buyers, mine sales and Plum get 100 each. You can win more the ones play it smart and keep staking. Same dates June 27, July 14 UTC. Where to trade? Anywhere is the Plum words. Plum spots, Mimi pad, Plum trading board, just trading Plum dates. The boards are open, make your move. So thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear crypto princes. Thank you so much for supporting and beautiful comments. बहुत ही दिल खुश कर दिया आज तो आपने लाइव स्ट्रीम में इतने ही प्यारे प्यारे कमेंट्स करके. नो टाइम. वेलकम चीची ईस्ट. वेलकम ऑल गेट यूजर. So now go to the next one, my dear. Next one blog. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So Blum airdrops FAQ. So now go to the Blum airdrop FAQ. June 23, 2025. So this is a picture of beautiful picture. So we are recently revolved how many Blums tokens each of you will receive, and naturally we have seen a wave of questions to help clarify things. Blum CEO Gloves Australia personally answers. The most common questions is a detailed thought to read. Read Glab original, the read on X. Number 1, I check in for 300 days and only got to 13 Blums 8. That's fair. Thank you so much crypto ISIS. ISIS ने भी आज हमें ज्वाइन किया है. Welcome Hadao. Thank you so much my dear Hadao. Welcome Master Q. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much. So total valid questions, but here the contents. Have over 1.3 million user qualified for the drop. Your variants alone hundreds on the thousand due the accent same. Check it and the quiz. All eligible users were placed into the 8 tiers based on mixed factors. PPS, MPS, check-in, gaming activity, refer friends. Thank you so much, my dear. My dear. Hi, my friend. Thank you so much, my dear. So, second one is I had more points than my friends, but we got there some rewards. Some rewards, yes. And here we user we grabbed into the tires and everyone is the same tires received. The sum drop amounts you and your friends may have taken different paths, but if you over contributions leading you the same tires, the rewards wise equal. This ensure fairness across a massive user base. Welcome leading my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So number three, why is there wasting just giving us the all tokens now? We hear there's a lot birds visiting international. We are not here to reward short terms airdrops hunters. We want to the reward this. You are actually part of this journey. Visiting enhance long term elements between the project and the community. If you everyone dump on the one day, no one wins. Number four, I paid massive trading fees where I was. My airdrop is still small. We get the fractures, but the airdrops was never meant the reimburse. Your face it's a thank you for the beginning and the early active participation. Thank you so much for the joining and comments. Welcome to join my live stream participation. The Balam token is designed to the burn real utility trading account, discount advance tools and the future parks. Just like most exchange on trading boards, tokens based on the trading assets believe in the. Thank you so much my dear leading for the friends gift. Welcome Night X my dear, welcome. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो ग्लोसी को भी फॉलो करें. यस माय डियर. वेलकम शाइनिंग मून. सो शाइनिंग मून ने भी फाइनली ज्वाइन कर लिया. थोड़ा लेट हो गई शाइनिंग मून. सो हाउ आर यू माय डियर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग शाइनिंग मून. सो माय फ्रेंड्स, मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे गिफ्ट लगा दिया है. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका लीडिंग. सो नंबर 6, हैज Plum actually give user real value? Let's also not forget Plum has been one of the most rewarding Telegram native projects. To the date is total we have distributed over 7 million in the value of user thought airdrops like dogs, X, Mimi, soon and more. Finally thought. Thank you so much Malik Sahab. Hello, how are you Malik Sahab? Welcome. My dear Malik Sahab, कैसे हैं आप? उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. वेलकम नाइट एक्स. माय डियर नाइट एक्स, आप भी कैसे हैं? ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर. सो उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. सो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट लाइव कैंडी ड्रॉप प्लम प्रोजेक्ट का रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ आपको. सो दोस्तों, मेरे साथ बने रहने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक और भी मेरे बहुत से दोस्त हैं जो मुझे एंड तक सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. सो फाइनल थॉट. थैंक्स टू द एवरीवन हु स्टॉक विद द अस. द जर्नी हैज बीन इजी एंड वी हैव हैड टू मेक some thought sales, but we keep it building and now we are strong there ever. Welcome to the next chapter of Plum. Welcome gate user. Welcome Lucas. Thank you so much Lucas my dear. Thank you so much. So now go to the next one. So check your Plum allocations and badges. So this is a badges. This is a beautiful badges. You can see my dear. This is all 6 badges of Plum. You can see the beautiful badges. Welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for all of you. So Plum is getting closer to TGA and now you can check your achievements and see the excited size your Plum allocation right in the app. How to airdrop works. Now let's talk about how you will actually receive your Plum. Claim starts on TGA day. You will able to the claim 30% of your Plum instantly. The rest unlocks daily. For the next 180 days, your remaining tokens and unlock in the equal parts. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook for the beautiful comments. थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग मून, गुड वर्क, वेलकम माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच। आज आप लेट हो गई लेकिन लाइव स्ट्रीम पर आ गई, यही बहुत है। थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग मून, कैसी हैं आप? हाउ आर यू? उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगी। सो हाउ टू द एयर ड्रॉप वर्क्स? सो नाउ लेट्स claim any times, but here that's twist. Any unclaimed tokens are burnt. If you wait too the long, you will miss out, and the total supply is sharing. It's up to you. Claim early, wait for the full amounts and finds your sweet spots. Tier level 0.8, your core airdrops multipliers. Each level represents how far you want. During the campaign, the higher you go, the bigger your reward. Thank you so much, my dear CryptoY, for joining live stream. Welcome, welcome, my dear. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. Welcome, Hadayu, my dear. Thank you so much. I don't understand, my dear, your language. Level 1, touching gross. Level 2, activity APE. Level 3, grading sampling. Level 4, on-chain survive. Level 5, the gained certifieds. Level 6, meta elites. Level 7, plug gods mates. Level 8, the plum emitroller. How your level 8 set? Thank you so much again. It's Search Queen, my dear. Welcome again back. मलिक साहब, थैंक यू सो मच। मलिक साहब किधर चले गए हैं आप? मलिक साहब, थैंक यू सो मच, माय डियर। So your level for Blum airdrop is just about a single metric. It's calculated based on your over potential ranking across the platform. The ranking take into the accounts the combinations of the factors MP, Mimi points, BP, Blum points, drop, games played, check-in, farming activity, friends invited, friends activities. So because of the always scoring to user with the difference BP totals can still end up with the same Plum allocation if their overall engagement puts them in a simpler percent badge. Welcome again, ZX Fangling. Welcome, Hassan. HBD88. How are you, my dear? Welcome, all gate user. Thank you so much for supporting Hassan BD. My dear, thank you so much. So badge bonus boost display as unbadge on your Plum profile. There are instances of the level, independence of the level, Scrabble, and the also giving you extra tokens on top or you are the main rewards from level. Plummies. The Blummy badge were awarded to the core community volunteer whose helps sharp the platform. Gold Blummy. The rarest badge keep only the most active and the dedicate contribution across the board may help the teams providing valuable feedback, testing future, and with the deeply involved in the community. This was the highest regulations. Thank you so much, my dear Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining live streaming and supporting me. Thank you so much, my dear. You always support me. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining live stream and best comments ever. Thank you so much, my dear Shining Moon. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में देखकर। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम। थैंक यू सो मच Skyfall and the ever Silver Plummy for consents meaningful contribution thought out the campaign the ventilators shows up regularly partnership is mission stay engaged for the support the project's long term and bronzy Blummy giving to the new project who joined to the Plum Venture program. Other The ambassadors awarding to the 15 top referers. Drop Gamer Master, thank you so much for joining and follow me, my dear all gate user. Thank you so much for joining. Award Drop Gamer Top Game Master from the top 5,000 user by number of game played. On-chain hero giving to the top 5% of user trading volume on MimiPad. True Fun awarded to the user with the 388 plus days of the active. Mimi Creators giving to the top 5,000 user with the create Mimi token by the volume. Trading boot lot from the top 2,500 user who trading using on the Plum trading boot. Tribute Warden giving to the top 1,000 trading creator by the actively. Check your badges, see your allocation, your journey. Thought Blum is about of the pay. Airdrop is nearly calmly Wesley. Thank you so much all of you, my dear, for joining and follow me. Welcome Hidayat. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. So now go to the last one. Next one, my dear. Check your Blum allocation and badges. So ये हो गया complete. Blum tokenomics is full breakdown. So now go to the Blum tokenomics is split for utility allegations for this long term June 13, 2025. Blums. You can see the beautiful picture of this. Next blocks. Blum is a utility token as the center of the Blum ecosystem. A Telegram native platforms for the discovering Mimi coins, trading on chain and launching tokens is connect everything from the Mimi pad and trading boot to the future integration and the product. The tokens are designed to the support real utility from the start, reward long-term participation and maintenance in the health balance between the growth, innovation and sustainability. Total supply and spiritual. Total supply is a fix. वेलकम बैक हिदायत 999. हिदायत आपके मैसेज नहीं आ रहे आज मुझे. टोटल सप्लाई इज फिक्स एंड एट 1.000.000.000 Blum. There are no teams or investor unlocks at the loose. Early calculation is focused on the community and ecosystem developments. Each allocation has a clearly purpose and the support protocol growth without the over complexity. The model, you can see the model, beautiful model, my dear. Thank you so much for joining all of my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome all gate user, welcome UID. Community, 20% of the total supply. 200.000.000 Blum. This allocation is for the this who filled Blum for the bringing. Drop game participations, Mimi, Pad, user referral, and other early. Contribute 55% and allocated the prepaid launch airdrops. So 55% is receiver for the future program campaigning and the community innovative. 30% of the pre-launch airdrop unlocks at DGE with the remaining 70% visiting liner over 6 months. This approach ensures active user have ownership Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, my dear. So 50 benefit as the ecosystem growth. Thank you so much for all of you. Ecosystem growth 20% of the total supply to 100.20 system. Welcome gate user. Welcome crypto I, my dear. Welcome Ji Baba Ji. Welcome gate user. This segment supports scaling across chains and platforms. On-chain liquidity and listing developments gains and the product interrogations. Infrastructure partnership 90% unlock and TGA 81% visit over 48 months. In creates a flexibility pool the backs to the tools builders and interrogation driving adoption. Welcome Treasury. Thank you so much my dear. Welcome. Thank you so much Crypto Princess. अब क्या हुआ? ओहो नेटवर्क काम नहीं कर रहा। थैंक यू सो मच पर कोई मसला नहीं। क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस एंड क्रिप्टो आई आप बहुत शुक्रिया आपका आने का। 28.808 of the total supply 280.800.000 Blum. The Treasury funds long-term protocol needs, protect developments, audit and the security, legal and regulatory supports, emerging and the receiver funding. 10% unlock at the TGA, 90% visit over to 48%. The signifies structure giving Blum room to the avalanche bills staying financial stable over time. Contribution. Thank you so much, my dear Gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream and comments me. Welcome, my dear Gate user. Thank you so much for joining. How are you, my dear Gate user? Thank you so much. Hello, how are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Contributor 16.11 of the total supply 161.100.000 volume allocated to the tools activity build the protocol energizing design operations community and the more 12-month clip 24-month visiting no unlock at TG contributions earn the allocation by the driving with the visiting tied to the contributed investing strategic investors 15.81 of the total supply and 15.100 point the bluff. This pool is dedicated to the infrastructure partners and the elegant investor helping scale the ecosystem cross-chain integration market making developments innovative ecosystem expansion 9-month clip 18-month visiting no unlock activity. You can see the beautiful graph. The sketcher supports long-term community and the avoid exposure pressures. So this is the page of you can see my dear final thoughts. So this is the final thoughts. Welcome my dear. Welcome Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for the thank you so much my dear gate user. Good man. Thank you so much for your best comments. Final thoughts. Blum was designed to the support and real activity growth with the community and the rewards contributor across every stage. The model is simple, active users benefits early, builder state motivated, growth is funded, responsibility launch is clear. Thank you so much. With no teams on investors sale off. Blum expands across Telegram and on-chain ecosystem. Blum with the assets connectivity everything together. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto Princess, and thank you so much, Crypto Wife, for joining my live stream. So this is your gift, Crypto Princess. Welcome again, Hadoyola. Welcome, Roman ZL. Welcome, Eamon Rich. Welcome, Skyfall. So now go to the second one of topic for this project. Candy Drop plus Blum. Blum to the trade share 1.350.000 Blum. Candy Drop is a gate airdrop rewards platform where you complete tasks to earn candies and share tokens rewards. We are excited to announce the Blum tokens airdrops event to complete the mission below to the earn candies and share from the 1.35.000 Blum price pool max 3000 Blum per user detail. Future trading price pool 675.000 Blum. Individual cap 1500 Blum. Spot trading price pool 675.000 Blum. Individual limited 1500 Blum. Airdrop calculation formula individual candy. Amount total candy amount is of the all user. Welcome to all of you my dear. So every time June, event time June 27 and 2025 11 July to 7 2025 11. Thank you so much, my dear, for the flower gate user. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream and the flower participation now. So you can see the participant Balam is the mechanism managing trading ecosystem, the bringing together powerful determining of the most helpful Mimi pads and Web3 and the end of the on-chain trading board. You can see the 1.350.000 total price and participation in 14.216. This is the all complete. You can see the I have complete the task registration 1 event ends and airdrops. So complete task to the share. You can see the task and completed, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. And thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear. Spot trading, you can see the spot trading. Welcome to join my dear. Share trading to 675.000 plum. So individual share limit is 1500 plum. You can see, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So active rules. So now go to the next one, my dear. So future trading price pool, you can see, my dear, during the event user calculated Plum future trading volume and interposition, choose position 30,000 can receive candy rewards and the share price pool of 675 Plum. Each user can receive a maximum of the 9 candies and the highest amount that can be obtained by a single person is the 1500 Plum. The reward rules and the other followers. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome the nose. Thank you so much, my brother. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. So Plum trading volume 30,000 USDT candy 1. Plum trading volume 15,000 USDT candy 3. Plum trading volume 18,000 USDT and 5 candies. Spot trading price rules. During the event, user with the calculated Plum spot trading volume buy plus sale 5,000 will qualify for the candy rewards and share from the 675.000 Plum price. Each user can earn a minimums of the 9 candies with the personal cap of the 1500 Plum. The reward tiers are as follows. So Plum trading 5,000 1 candy and Plum trading volume 7,000 USDT candies. Plum trading volume 10,000 5 candies. So project introduction. Plum is a you can trade connection multi-trading ecosystem that brings together and powerful terminal, one of the most help Mimi pad in the Web3 and on-chain trading board. As the one of the trade experience token sample Plum official websites, I will show you, my dear, already. So X links you can see the, so you can join the X link. So note is the very important notes. So participation must click the join now button the event page. Thank you so much crypto princess for and crypto भाई बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं आपके कमेंट्स, बहुत ही कमाल किया हुआ है आज आपने मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर. So after successful join the events, the just must complete the event task and the identity verification to the receive rewards. Number second, reward will distributed to the user account within the 14 working days after the event ends within the total rewards of 1.350.000 Plum. Plum registration a simple, a small account is the static probability as well as McCullough's vast trading, sell buying and the selling and the mutual matching cheating behavior. Multi accounts of the same verified user with the considered as the same account. Subs accounts are not accounts allowed to the participation activities. So market maker is enterprises and institutions are not allowed to the participation in the events. Agents accounts cannot participate in friends invitations participation in the friends invitation activity. Other activities are unregistered. Number 5. In case of the discrepancy between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. Number 6. Gate receiver the right of the final interpretation for these events. Number 7. User is registered across maybe the not have access to the all of part of the service, including participation in the events game of the complications. For the more information about resistance across, please you read user agreements. Risk warning: user must pay attention to the facts, the virtual coins and trading in fluctuation are the virtual factors such as the market and policy. The markets in highly volatility of the rise and the fall and difficult to the predict. Please be the sure pay attention to the market risk and the trading constantly. So Gate team June 27. So now go to the closing remarks, my dear. So I have tell about the new project of Gate Live कैंडी ड्रॉप प्लम प्रोजेक्ट. तो मैं उसका रिपोर्ट रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ आपको दोस्तों. कैंडी ड्रॉप प्लम का अनलॉकिंग रूल्स 100%. गेट launch boost allowed user to stake. You can stake your assets before the project official launch, ensuring you will start earning rewards immediately once mining begins. Reward distributions. The system will distribute token reward to the user spot accounts every hour based on the proportion of the asset staking by the each user. Gate launch pool FAQ: how to participate. Log into your Gate accounts and complete identity verification. Navigate to the launch pool. Hold at least one Blum. Click to stake. So Blum information I have already tell you, my dear. So Gate Lab investor disclosure. So Blum is a decentralized multi-chain trading system, the bringing together a powerful terminal, one of the most hyped pads in the Web3 and on-chain trading boot. Thank you so much, all of the type, the trading experience Web3. Thank you so much. Welcome, Crypto Glossy again. Welcome. So good morning, Crypto Glossy again. And thank you so much, Crypto Princess. दिल खुश कर दिया आज आपने एंड तक लाइफ में बैठने की. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस एंड क्रिप्टो ग्लोसी भी अगेन आ गई हैं. गुड मॉर्निंग अगेन. So Gate Lab investor disclosures. Gate Lab does not invest in Blum. Notes. So Gate Launch Pool is the innovative staking and the airdrop platform where user can staking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and highly APR. It's the ultimate platform of the effortless capturing marketing opportunity. Number 2, please complete identity verification before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your accounts and assets. Number 3, please adhere to the relevant rules of the events when participating, and any cheating behavior in property and the cause of the any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the report. Number 4, where any dispensaries across between the translation version and the original version, English version, the English version shall prevail. So number 5, Gate receivers all rights the final explanation. Number 6, the receivers is not affiliated with the Apple Inc. Number 7, user in the United and the other registered location cannot access the service including the participation in this event, game or competition. See the user agreements for the further details. Registered location. So now this is the importance of this project's risk warning. Thank you so much, my brother. Oh, sorry, my dear. Discovery. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So finally Discovery ने भी हमें join कर लिया. Number 1, the project team does not guarantee that token price will be not lower than in its entire sale price. Please invest with the caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Thank you so much. Oh, number second, the crypto project is still in the entirely state factors, including the operational and the underlying technology of the project and the other related regulatory activities might contribute. However, you discovery, my dear, for joining my live stream. So good to see you again. Underlying technology of the project and the other. So number three, advanced technical and finance knowledge is required to the understand and evaluate the integrate risk of the crypto assets investments. Number four, the market volatility is highly and the price of token might fluctuate discrepancy due to technical regularity and the market factors. Number five, user may not be able to withdraw at the purchase token due to the technical issue of the project of Gate. So Team Gate, June 27, 2025, gateway to crypto trade over 3.600 cryptocurrency safely and quickly easily on Gate IU. Take action now, sign up and claim up to the 10,000 welcome rewards and invite friends and earn of the 40% commission. Stay connected, visit the official website, download the Gape app, follow X on Twitter and Telegram, engage with the global community. Transparency and the security check on 100% full of receivers. So welcome and thank you so much for again, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for your, you remember it always, my dear, discovery. सो आज हम बात कर रहे थे गेट लाइव कैंडी ड्रॉप प्लम के बारे में। उसका मैंने आपको रिव्यू दिया, ए टू जेड मैंने आपको बताया। सो आई होप यू रियली एंजॉयड माय डियर माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर। सो दिस इज ऑफिशियल पेज ऑफ प्लम, दिस इज द official website of Blum. I will show and the blog of Blum. You can see my dear. So now go to the end of this project. Thank you so much for all of you, my dear. Crypto Princess, Crypto I, Shining Star, Crypto MacBook, Crypto Glossy, Kate User, and Hidayat, and many friends. Thank you so much for joining, and Chinese friend for comments me. Thank you so much. And the finally Discovery. Thank you so much for joining my live stream and supporting me. You always supporting me, Discovery. Thank you so much for joining and supporting me. Thank you so much, Discovery. Thank you so much and good to see you to again to join my live stream. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है आपको लाइव में देखने के लिए। सो दोस्तों, बहुत सारी दुआओं के साथ इजाज़त चाहूँगा। सो tomorrow is my next project, so you all of you, my dear friends, join it, and you, I hope you all of you, my dear, you enjoyed my live stream, and thank you so much for your all of you supporting and comments me and like me. सो लाइक एंड कमेंट्स के साथ साथ फॉलो भी किया करें दोस्तों, कमेंट्स लाजमी किया करें, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है आपके कमेंट्स देखकर और खुशी होती है। So thank you so much. So God bless you, you all and your family. So Allah Hafiz, good evening and goodbye, my all dear friends and Discovery to join my live stream. So end of you. So thank you so much, Discovery, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, all of you.